Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for a student account at Chase, College Banking Guide step by step. To apply for a student account at Chase, start by visiting the official Chase website. Look for the Personal Banking section in the main menu. Under this section, click on Checking Accounts. Scroll down until you find the College Checking option. Click on Learn More to access detailed information about the account. Review the benefits and requirements listed for the college checking account. When you're ready, look for the Open Account button and click it. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you are a new user, select the Sign Up option and provide the requested information. Fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, enter your email address and create a password for your new account. After signing in, you will be taken to the account application. Start by confirming your eligibility as a student. You may need to provide your student identification or proof of enrollment. Fill in all required personal and financial information as requested. Once you have completed the application, review your details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation message confirming your application submission. Once your application is approved, you will receive follow those instructions to access your account and manage your finances. You're now ready to take advantage of your Chase student banking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.